why people are different from other means of doing business is because there is an element of sensitivity which is represented by the moon, which people have, which is not there in some of the other means of doing business. Which means that people have to be handled very, very differently compared to other means of doing business. And invariably, how these people are behaving would ultimately decide where your organization is reaching. So people management and people become extremely important in running and organizing businesses. This comes to a very interesting question which people often ask me is why do people stay in an organization? So there's a very simple book that I picked up called 1 Minute Manager. So that throws very interesting light on why people stay in organization. It says that people stay in organization because of 4 factors. First is autonomy, second is connectedness, third is perspective, and fourth is tone. So autonomy essentially means that if you're giving somebody responsibility, they should also have certain authority to do things what they want to do. Connectedness, a person can only start performing once he knows that he belongs to that place. So for an individual, because he's sensitive, it's very important for him to be able to belong to a particular place before he starts performing. Perspective, any individual, is very important that they should know what is in it for them. In case he's willing to sacrifice for the organization in the short run, he should know that there's light at the end of the tunnel. There is something that is going to come his way, which is perspective. And finally, tone. An individual is not away from his family or not away from his desire to grow and learn. So if this organization provides this individual ample opportunity to build himself, to grow as an executive, as an individual, as a person, and also provides him enough time to take care of his health and be with his family, then it works out very, very well.